Though it's desirable to have a global alternative to a US dollar, it is not quite feasible at the moment because it would require a lot of work, a lot of investment in local production, in local trade. It would require a lot of work to reduce the dominance of the dollar in the world. But it is something that must begin now. Perhaps it will be achieved over a decade or so, because the world needs it. We can't have a world of many states with one dominant currency. That world has changed. We need one where there's a lot of different currencies that can be used simultaneously. We desire it. It's part of the decolonization of the world.
Вон уже подъехал еще один. Там скорая, полиция. Ой, порядки наводит. Ну, короче.